Okay, we're going to take a quick look at the Video Insights tool that is currently being developed in the lab. What this tool aims to do is help with the analysis of open-ended questions, whether those are open-ended responses that are provided by participants via video or via open-ended text response. And what we're doing here is we're creating evidence videos or highlight reel videos for insights that are generated by our Insight Summarizer tool. We can create project. We have one created here, so I'll just go into this one here. It's called What Makes a Soda Refreshing? And in here we have one question, the question label, the question text, and you can also provide a business context so that the AI has a better understanding of the kind of opinions and attitudes you're trying to process. You can see under each question, we've got the following three navigation items here. We've got imports. This is where you can upload videos. You can also upload and import a CSV file with open-ended text responses in them. And this simply processes those jobs and then facilitates the transcription step. Now, with open-ended text responses, we are using text-to-speech technology to turn each of those text responses into an actual video that can then be included in a highlight reel video. So if I was to type citrus and search my all responses here, I can go down here in my table. And as you see, as I scroll down, I've got a bunch of videos here, but then there's a series of videos here, which is an icon in the video. And these are the open-ended text responses that have been converted into a speech asset by the AI. If I go ahead and play one of these.
Refreshing soda is cold and fizzy.
The soda is refreshing because it has strong bubbles and cold. The taste should not be too heavy, better when it is light and citrus.
So we're using different voices. Those are dynamically created on the fly. And the goal is in the future, as we upload open-ended text responses, we can include different demographic details, and then the voice will reflect, for instance, if it's a male, the voice would reflect that demographic detail. So we've got a whole bunch of responses that we've submitted here, and we can now go to the insights section of the tool, and we can generate insights. And so what this is doing is the AI is processing all those verbatims and running thematic analysis and coming back with results. So we can see here, again, our question was, what makes a soda refreshing? We've got three insights that were generated on November 25th at 11:30 a.m. The first is that natural and light flavor profiles are important. Citrus and tangy flavors enhance the refreshment, and the importance of cold temperature. So if we go into the citrus one here, here's our video, and I can go ahead and play this video.
I really enjoy sodas that have a bit of a tang to them, like a citrus soda.
It is better when the flavor is light and not very sugary. I enjoy citrus or mint taste for this.
I like something with bright, tangy flavors and a smooth finish.
And it totally has to have a good flavor, like citrusy, so it feels fresh and not too heavy.
And so what you're seeing there is both video responses and open-ended text responses that are converted into this voice asset, clipped and presented in a single video. Now, the clipping and the editorialization of those clips is handled by AI initially, and we get an initial evidence video for this insight here that's created by the AI. Now, we can go ahead and edit that by clicking the Edit Video button there, and it'll open up this panel, and I can see my video. I can see the insight. I can see the description. I have some settings here, so I could choose to blur this video if I wanted to protect the privacy of the respondents. I could turn on and off captions, and I can also include a header if I want, which would put the title of this insight at the front of the video so that if I download this video, there's some context for the clips that have been included in the video. At the top here, I've got a timeline view. This shows all of the clips that are currently in the video, and I can do things like move these around if I want. So if I want this lady here to be the second one, I just drag her up, and then she's going to be in position 2. And you can see that this toast alert here at the top updates, and I have to hit save, and it'll generate my changes from there. If I wanted to go in and adjust her clip specifically, I could hit this pencil icon, and then this opens up her entire verbatim, and I can choose to select a larger portion of her verbatim. So here, what we have currently is this portion of her verbatim, but if I wanted to extend that to include this ginger kick portion, I could select all of that, select trim to selected, and then press save, and then that would update. You can see now we've got a longer clip there. I can also go into all videos. Any of the clips that are currently editorialized by the AI are shown here with a yellow highlight, but this gives me access to all of my verbatims, and I can go and I can find something else that I like and I want to add to this. This gives me a way to manually adjust and add clips to the video and sort of fortify what the AI has already done with the creation of this video. So that's a quick overview of this app and some of the features that are in the first version of it. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Stay tuned for more updates.